I'm sorry. I shouldn't laugh, but that is hilarious. So, people going around. Wow, guys and gals, I'm back at the Ford Escape, and it's up higher. It's up higher. Somebody's walked around here recently since the snow. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's up to the headlight now. Oh yeah. It's tipping too. This is building up here because the water's coming down. It's building. I think it's slowly pushing it that way, and it's rocking it, you know. See how inside looks. I think it's come up because that cushion is now covered with water. The driver's seat's now covered with water. This bumper, I don't think, have to compare my pictures. I'll take some pictures after the video, but it's much more up. I think the ice is pushing up, unless this was already really badly unhinged like that. Then this side, oh. This is a loss. I'm actually surprised no one has brought their vehicle up and taken a picture for themselves or something. I mean, I'm not going to do that, but I'm just surprised. I'm surprised it's not shot up. I mean, it's a loss. Hopefully no one does, because that just means there'll be glass. We are in the spot you're supposed to drive. You can see, look how much water. I mean, I'm going to go back the way I came. But look at this. This is unbelievable. See this water. So during the day, it's melting plus water underneath. So it's coming on top. And at night, it's freezing. So you're going to get these layers in the water. You can see it. As it does get warmer out today, it's supposed to be 57. Don't know. Up here. As this melts, it's going to come, it's going to refreeze. It's just going to, it layers itself. You can see where it's soaking right now. Like this is slowly, it's hard to walk on this. Yeah, see this water slowly coming this way, soaking in. And as it's thawing, and it's building up, and building up, and building up. This probably happens every winter, but usually we have so much snow, this is shut down. So there we have it. The Escape has not escaped, and it's not going to. The thing is, how deep will it go? My bet is it will get it's going to get over that shifter, frozen, which will put it probably up to the door handles on this side, because it's, you know, on an angle. Everything in that door, all electronics, everything is just toast. If there was any electric to these seats, they'll be gone. We can't see much in the back. Oh, I can see. I don't know if you guys can, but yeah. Oh. And why did they leave a bag of clothes? Why would you leave clothes? When they were out here trying to remove it, you'd remove anything you thought was valuable, because this car, I don't know. You know it's not coming out. Well, bye-bye, Escape. One last Escape on the road. Bye-bye, Bernie. Have fun. Take care, guys.